6 main reasons why France is the most popular tourist destination. France, officially the French Republic, French, République Française, is a transcontinental country that spans Western Europe as well as overseas regions and territories in South America, the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. France has the most time zones of any country, with 12, including all of its territories. Its metropolitan area stretches from the Rhine to the Atlantic Ocean, as well as from the Mediterranean Sea to the English Channel and the North Sea. Its overseas territories include French Guiana in South America, St. Pierre and Miquelon in the North Atlantic, the French West Indies, and several islands in Oceania and the Indian Ocean. France has the world's largest exclusive economic zone, due to its numerous coastal territories. France has European borders with Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Monaco, Italy, Andorra, and Spain, as well as American borders with the Netherlands, Suriname, and Brazil. Its 18 integral regions, 5 of which are overseas, cover a total area of 643,801 square kilometers, or 248,573 square miles, and have a population of over 67 million people, as of May 2021. France is a unitary semi-presidential republic, with Paris as its capital and main cultural and commercial center. Other major cities include Lyon, Marseille, Toulouse, Bordeaux, Lille, and Nice. In 2013, France received 84.7 million visitors from all over the world, far more than any other country, and plans are in the works to increase that figure to over 100 million. In this video, we will feature what makes France such a popular vacation destination year after year. The local examines 6 factors that contribute to the country's tourism appeal. But do the numbers tell the whole story of France's world-class tourism industry? According to one professional, the figures are deceptive, and France needs to do more to match the success of the United States and Spain. But before we start, welcome to Momidi TV. We create videos about travel destinations that will feature travel tips, safety, and products for everyone, and recommend it to our first-time backpackers to seasoned travelers. We hope to inspire you to get there, enjoy your travel and have fun with the amazing world can offer. Please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload videos regarding travel tips, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. For any comments and suggestions, you may leave a comment below. Now let us get back to the video. So, what are the main reasons why France is the most popular tourist destination? The City of Lights. Almost goes without saying, but the French capital is a huge draw for foreign visitors, more than 30 million in a year, more than any other city on the planet. What is it about it which makes it so popular? Where to begin? The romantic image of the city, the stunning architecture, the Louvre Museum, the iconic Eiffel Tower, and the simple pleasure of sitting on a cafe terrace, and watching the world go by, are all attractions. For many years, European and American visitors have flocked here, from all over the world, and they keep coming back. In recent years, the appeal of Paris has captured the Far East, with more and more Chinese nationals coming to see the Champs-Élysées and its array of boutiques. Not to mention Disneyland, which is a destination in and of itself, for foreign visitors. The theme park, located just east of Paris, attracts approximately 15 million visitors per year, and is Europe's most popular tourist destination. a wide range of sun, sea, and mountain views. For their summer vacations, many French people prefer to stay in their own country rather than travel abroad. Why? They'll tell you it's because France has everything, from sandy beaches to snow-capped mountains, and vast swaths of countryside. Simon Dawson of French Cycling Holidays, a UK tour operator, agrees. Different regions appear completely different, he says. There's rolling countryside, as well as great cities like Paris, Lyon, and Marseille. In general, France has something for everyone. While the Germans come for the beaches, the British come for the countryside, and the Americans come for the chateaus and culture. The weather is also a big factor, Dawson says. France has really good weather in the summer. It's hot, but not baking hot like in Spain or Italy. Location is important. However, part of France's allure may simply be a result of geography. For example, for UK holidaymakers looking to escape their country's unreliable summers, France is just a short hop across the Channel, with 12.6 million people making the trip in 2013. Visitors from another of France's neighbors, Germany, accounted for 13 million of the country's 13 million visitors last year, more than any other country. However, not all of these visitors are there to see France. Because of France's geographical location, many tourists are forced to pass through the country on their way to other destinations, explains Didier Arenaud, president of tourism industry experts ProTourisme. Around 15 to 20 million of the visitors to France are just passing through on their way to Italy or Spain. Get away to the countryside. Around 80% of France is countryside, much of it beautiful and peaceful. According to Dawson, this is the part of France that most tourists want to see outside of Paris. The Loire Valley, Provence, and the famously beautiful regions of France are the most popular areas for our customers, he says. According to ProTourisme's Arenaud, the countryside is especially popular with visitors from the United Kingdom, who have a romanticized view of rural life in France. The British are head over heels in love with rural France. They romanticize the countryside, he says. The Brits enjoy the contrast between the peaceful France profonde and the hustle and bustle of the towns and cities, in which many of them live. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Now, let us get back to the video. Wine and food. France, of course, is inextricably linked to its famed gastronomical traditions, and the opportunity to dine on French specialties, even if they are cliched, such as snails or steak tartare, is undoubtedly a big part of what draws visitors to the country. France is well aware of this, and is determined to maintain its position as the world's food capital, as evidenced by its recent homemade food labeling scheme, which is intended to discourage chefs from using frozen or ready-made ingredients. No proper French meal is complete without a few glasses of vin, and the country's extensive selection of home-produced wines is another draw for visitors. Every year, approximately 24 million foreign tourists visit Bordeaux, Burgundy, and other wine regions in France. Art, history, and culture are all intertwined. France is extremely proud of its long and often turbulent history, from the French Revolution to Napoleon and the two World Wars, and historical sites are frequently included on visitor itineraries. The famous battle sites of the Somme and the D-Day landings, as well as the stunning chateaus, churches, and cathedrals that dot the landscape, are all here. France, in fact, has 39 sites on UNESCO's World Heritage List, placing it fourth in the world. Tourists are also drawn to museums and art galleries. The Louvre alone attracts 9.7 million visitors per year, more than any other museum in the world, and is home to the Mona Lisa, as well as approximately 35,000 other artifacts and artworks. Finally, France maintains its centuries-old position as a global center of art, science, and philosophy. It is the world's leading tourist destination, and has the 5th highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And that is it. Thank you for watching Momidi TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.